GM's Vortec engines come with a Sequential Port Injection System, or SCPI. Compared to the OE Sequential Central Port Injection System, our multi-port fuel injection system has several advantages, including port fuel delivery and high reliability, better hot starts and reduced vapor emissions, and faster prime on hot restarts. Let's take a closer look. Improved spray injector nozzle design with longer seat and no valve ball reduces deposit buildup that can cause clogs. Lack of poppet valve eliminates problem of deposit buildup. Improved hot fuel handling compared to the SCPI system. Enhanced pressure control at low recirculation rates. What's more, our improved multi-port fuel injectors for GM V6 and V8 engines are designed, manufactured, and tested at our TS 16949 certified manufacturing facility in Greenville, South Carolina.